Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you a DIY bottle art. So let's get started. For this I have taken a clean and dry glass bottle. We'll apply white paper glue on it with help of a brush. Now we'll roll up a single layer of tissue paper and we'll leave it to get dry. To dry it faster, I used hair dryer. It takes only 2 to 3 minutes to dry out completely. While keeping the bottle aside, I am going to design a flower, which I will put middle of the bottle. For this I have taken kitchen tissues as they are a bit thicker, which will helpful to hold it properly. So fold and cut the tissue into circle as shown and attach both the pieces with help of glue. I am planning to make sunflower. So I have taken sun-dried pumpkin seeds and mustard seeds. For the leaves also I have used the same pumpkin seeds. Using the same paper glue, attach the seeds on tissues while keeping the sharp edge outwards. Once finished, keep it aside to let it dry. Now the first layer of the bottle is totally dried, so we'll roll up the second layer following the same procedure to give it a finishing touch. Time to paint. For painting I have taken watercolor. Firstly we'll paint flower and the leaves so that it will get enough time to dry. Now we'll proceed to paint the border. Here I will paint in 3 layers with 3 different colors. Once the paint dried out, I attached the flower and the leaves with help of a glue gun. With the same glue gun, I tried to make some wave-like structures. Here is the final look. To make it more elegant, you can put some fairy lights if you have. I hope you liked this video. Please let me know your valuable feedback in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will come back with new interesting videos. Till then, bye bye.